Which is better, a bottom-loaded coil design or a center-loaded coil design? Let's find out. To do this test for the center-loaded coil, I decided to go with the Radioddity HF010. It's all-in-one kit, easy to deploy. You've seen that, so we'll put that to the side. For the bottom-mounted coil, I decided to use a Wolf River Coils Silver Bullet. I wanted to keep this as similar to the HF010 as I could, so I decided to go ahead and use the ground stake from the HF09 kit, which is the same as the 010. And then I used the extension rods and the whip out of the 09 kit, so it's exactly the same as the 010. I decided to do the test on a 40-meter band. The reason for that is this gives me more coil that's being used, since this is a test of coil versus coil and not antenna versus antenna. So let's take a look at the data. The bottom-loaded coil was heard by 214 unique stations, while the center-loaded coil was heard by 210. So if you stop there, you'd say they're basically the same. But once you start looking at the DX numbers, that's where things change. When I compared the longest distance stations that heard both antennas, the middle-loaded vertical kept coming out ahead. On several 6,000 to 7,000 kilometer plus paths into Europe, it had a better signal-to-noise ratio by multiple dB. And not by a little either, by enough to matter on weak signal digital modes. Then came the number that really got my attention. The middle-loaded vertical heard 16 DX stations that the bottom-loaded antenna didn't hear at all. The bottom-loaded vertical only heard 9 DX stations that the middle-loaded antenna missed. So even though the bottom-loaded vertical slightly won on total station count, the middle-loaded vertical was clearly better at pulling out long-distance signals in this test. And honestly, that lines up with this theory. By moving the coil up the mast, you get better current distribution. In the real world, that can mean a more efficient radiator, especially when you're trying to squeeze out DX. So here's the takeaway. If all you care about is how many stations you contact, the bottom-loaded coil will do just fine. But if you're trying to work DX, you might want to think about using a center-loaded coil design. That's what I would do. So what's your experience with this? Have you noticed a difference between the two? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.